Considering the Bose Lifestyle Ultra Speaker in 2025, this honest review reveals why this compact smart speaker could be your next home audio game changer. From its sleek design to surprisingly rich, refined sound, the Lifestyle Ultra Speaker truly impresses for its size. What's dramatic? While great solo, the real magic happens when you pair two together. The soundstage expands dramatically, offering true stereo separation that even outperforms some more expensive standalone options. It seamlessly integrates with Google Cast, Apple AirPlay, and Bluetooth, giving you flexible multi-room audio options. However, be aware it's not natively high-res 24-bit/192 kHz compatible and comes at a premium compared to rivals like the Sonos Era 100. Despite the price, its punchy, well-defined bass and clear vocals make it a top contender in the compact smart speaker category. If you're serious about elevating your audio experience and can spring for a stereo set, this Bose speaker is an absolute must-hear. Find the best deals and purchase links for the Bose Lifestyle Ultra Speaker in the description below.